Hello everyone! Today I will test this welding machine that works on the principle of electrode and flux cored wire, or MIG welding. This is not a classic CO2 device that works on the principle of cooling with CO2 gas. This device uses a charged wire that contains cooling powder, and so this welding machine doesn't need CO2 gas. The wire has the mark R71TGS and is produced in quantities from 0.5 kilograms to 16 kilograms. Now I will show you what is in the box. Of course you get this protective mask as with most devices you buy. As you can see, a brush for cleaning metal and removing slag. You also get 3 different nozzles of 0.81 and 1.2 millimeters. Next, of course the cables, one is ground or minus, and the other is plus, which is used for electrodes. This device can weld both with electrodes and with wire. Now we have a welding gun. It is used for welding with wire. And of course the main thing is the digestion apparatus. On it we have 2 potentiometers. The left serves for amperage and the right for wire speed during welding. On the front side we have connections for cables. From the back, of course, the switch for on and off. And as you can see, this device does not have a connection for CO2 gas. So it is possible to weld only with a charged wire. On this side, we have a place where a reel with wire is placed. On this shaft we put a reel with wire. On this device of mine, it can fit a maximum of 2 kilos of wire because it is a small device. As you can see here, it has a mechanism through which a wire is passed that goes over the entire cable and exits to the gun. Now we will connect all the cables and put the wire, and we will test how it welds. Today, I will only use a wire welding gun because most people are interested in how it works with the electors. We are sure that it works well. I installed the wire and now I will set up the device to do welding with the wire. On the front you have an LED screen and a button where you can adjust what you are going to welding. In my case it is welding with a wire and we need to set it to flux. Here I adjust the speed at which the wire will come out of the gun. So let's test it. I'm not a very good welder, so don't blame me. It works beautifully without interruption. As you can see, it works well and stays clean. Let's try again. This time, it's better honestly. This device works flawlessly and is definitely worth $100. You can see a clean weld without slag, which means that this method of welding is far better than with an electrode. Also, you don't need CO2 gas, so it's much cheaper to use. Thanks for watching.